What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am Stevie, the military biker. Today I want to talk to you guys about this Pro-Fuzion LED headlight from Advanblack. I'm going to talk to you about the design of it, and I'm actually going to fit it to the Street Glide for you guys to see how awesome this light really is. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this right here is the brand new from Advanblack. It is the Pro-Fuzion LED headlight with halo, and you'll see why in a second when I obviously plug it in and stuff, that you'll see the difference between one that I've got in there right now, which is also a halo headlight by Custom Dynamics, but this one right here, it actually has an LED outer ring, full-on beam, LED beam in the front, which is really bright. And then you'll see when I plug it in, like I said, these little tiny outer ring LEDs, which make it look really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and fit it to the bike. Okay, so if you didn't know how to do this, obviously cover up your front fender just in case anything falls out and onto your fender. You certainly don't want to get it scratched, so the first thing I'm going to do is cover up the fender. Okay, so once you've covered up your fender, next thing you would want to do is remove the outer ring on your headlight right there by removing the screw underneath there and then just popping it off nice and safely. Okay, so once you've got your outer ring off, the next thing you want to do is you want to take these 3 screws out. So there's one right there, one right there, and one at the top. Alright, what you don't want to be touching on this when you're removing this is these ones on the side, which are actually Allen keys or hex heads on the bike. It's got 3 of those as well. Don't touch that because that you will start to adjust the sort of the pitch and the yaw of your headlight, which you don't want to do. Clearly it's factory set for a reason, but the ones that are a Phillips screwdriver or a crosshead 3 ones, they're the ones that you want to take out. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, at this point those 3 screws will now be able to be removed, and it is actually, if you look, it's another O-ring that goes around the headlight to keep it in place. So just be careful that this doesn't fall out when you do remove this. Once you're happy, put that to one side and then drop out your headlight like so. So at this point, as you can see in there, all right, you've got your adapter for, I think it's 14 or 15 and up, street glides, road glides, etc., which is this long piece here, and obviously the actual LED light attaches to this piece here. So all you need to do is literally remove that, remove your old headlight, and place it somewhere safe. Okay, so once you've removed your headlight that you had in there before, next thing you want to do is you want to get your Pro-Fuzion headlight by Advanblack, the brand new Pro-Fuzion headlight, and we want to get it, and we want to ensuring that the writing on top there, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or what, but anyway, hopefully it focuses at some point. You can see the headlight, the writing on the top there, that is the top of the headlight. Okay, so when you're putting this in, you want to make sure that that is actually at the top. Now I will show you on the back of the headlight itself, you've got 2 plugs, all right, and it comes with a little red wiring, which I will show you in a second, and also the 2 plugs on it. So one will plug in directly into the main socket on here, i.e. that, and then this other red one I'll show you right now, which actually powers the inner ring of the LEDs. So I'll show you right now. So there you go, guys. Obviously comes with everything you need. So as you can see on the back there, you've got the socket there, the female socket, and then on, let me just show you guys, I'm dropping my stuff everywhere, on the actual adapter itself you will find this, another female adapter. Okay, that is your power that's always on, if you will, and that's what you want to be plugging this into that. Let me show you. Okay, so first thing you want to do is obviously make sure that your power is actually off right now. All right, your ignition does not want to be on clearly while you're messing with power. You don't want that on. And if it was down to me, probably undo your battery as well. Just take the positive off your battery while you're messing with electrics. Probably the best thing to do. Anyway, so we're going to get our headlight. We're going to plug it into the 3-prong plug at the back. That's on the extension. And she goes, and then at this point, I'm just going to lay it down. Now what I will do is I'll show you the difference quickly with not having the red wire fitted right now from when we actually attach the red wire. You'll see the difference. So as you can see right now, that is just the headlight plugged in under normal power. As you can see, the outer ring of LEDs is not lit up right now, but as soon as I plug this little red wire in, you will see the difference. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so like I said, she's flashing away. Like I said, in the pack becomes this sort of extension lead, if you will. And this is what you want to be doing. You want to, on the back of this blue wire, okay, you want to put the male and female together so they fit in nicely. Drag that back if need be. So, and then just cover it up with the actual rubber sock that's on there, like so. Next thing you want to do is on the back of the actual wiring for the light, on the back of the actual light, like I said, you've got this extra red wire right there, and you want to just plug that in exactly like what you've just done there. So I'm going to do that, plug that back, plug it in, and I'm going to use the Advanblack sort of rubber casing, which is actually bigger than the standard one on the back there, so it literally just folds straight over, so it's got that good waterproof seal, which is awesome. So now we've got that in, just gonna hide that in there like so, and I'm just about to show you the difference. Okay, so we've got all the wires plugged in now. As you can see, we now get the LEDs inside and the halo ring on the outside, and that is super bright and it looks super awesome as well, which is, whoa, god damn, that's bright. So there you go, look at that, that's the difference right there. So I'm going to turn the ignition back off, and then we're going to fit the light into the bike. Okay, once you're happy and you've connected everything up, then we want to go ahead and place these wires nice and neat inside there. Remember what I said about the writing at the top, which is exactly where you want to place it into the slots, so it's not going to move like so. Keep your finger on there because you certainly don't want this dropping out and ruining your day. Obviously, get your first O-ring that you took off there a moment ago and align it up with the holes for the screws. Make sure that she's in like so, and then go ahead and start tightening up the screws. That's it. Once you're happy, make sure it's nice and secure, which it is, and then you want to put your outer securing ring on to make sure that's the last part of the job. Alright, once you're happy, make sure your screw hole is at the bottom, and then just place it in like so. Check your rubber seal is good. Put it on, and then what we're going to do is align the bottom hole right there with the hole that's actually in the back of the headlight. So rubber seal around that is good. She's in, which is really cool. A little bit more out this side. Oh yeah, I think we're good. And once you're happy, get your screw and your screwdriver and place it into the hole down below. Okay, once you're happy, you've put everything in, you know it works, just recheck. At this point, if you did take your battery off, then reconnect your battery, and then turn the ignition on, recheck we're good. Look at that. At this point, you've probably done it already, but just check your sort of high beam and low beam outer rings look phenomenal. They really do. Check that out, man. Wow. Super impressed. Really impressed. So there you go, guys. That's how easy that job is. A simple plug and play LED light, which looks awesome, and it is really bright. It really is. You know, it's a 7-inch round type, like most street glides are. And like I said, it's plug and play, and it's a 5700K color temperature. New halo design for projection inside, which you can see the inside in right there. And it's completely waterproof, shatterproof, etc. Like most things that Advanblack do, their lights are phenomenal. It retails at $249.99 US, and you can order it direct from the Advanblack store, which I will leave a link to somewhere up here and down below in the description, so you guys can go check it out and grab yourself a Pro-Fuzion LED black headlight, like me. Absolutely awesome bit of kit. I can't wait to get out on the road and see how it does in the night time, but seeing how bright that is, I don't think we're going to have any issues whatsoever. So anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little install video. Go over and check out all of Advanblack's products. They are top notch, they really are, and especially I'm super impressed with that LED headlight, that's for sure. Anyway, I am Stevie the Military Biker. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to leave a thumbs up, and if you are indeed new to the channel, like that says somewhere down there, please think about subscribing. Anyway, have a great week wherever you are around the world. Stay safe, and remember, you'll never walk alone.